Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: which traditional Indian sport is known as the precursor to modern field hockey? Answer D. Hockey, Indian style. Question: in which Indian state is the traditional sport of Jallikattu predominantly played? Answer B. Tamil Nadu. Question: the sport Mallakhamba primarily involves which of the following? Answer B. Gymnastic poses on a wooden pole. Question: which traditional Indian game is played with a small wooden stick and a ball, resembling a form of hockey? Answer A. Gilli Danda. Question: Kabaddi is believed to have originated from which ancient Indian epic? Answer B. Mahabharat. Question: the traditional Indian sport Kalripayattu is best described as? Answer B. an ancient martial art. Question: which traditional Indian sport involves teams chasing and tagging opponents in a circular field? Answer A. Kho-Kho. Question: Pachisi, an ancient Indian board game, is considered the precursor to which modern game? Answer B. Ludo. Question: the traditional Indian sport Vallamkali is associated with which activity? Answer B. boat racing. Question: which traditional Indian sport uses a small ball called gilli and a stick called danda? Answer B. Gilli Danda. Question: in which region of India is the sport Thoda traditionally played? Answer C. Himachal Pradesh. Question: what is the main objective in the traditional Indian sport Lagori? Answer A. knock down a pile of stones with a ball. Question: the traditional Indian sport Kambala is related to which of the following? Answer B. buffalo racing in paddy fields. Question: which ancient Indian text mentions the sport of wrestling as an important physical exercise? Answer B. Mahabharat. Question: the Indian sport Gatka is associated with which martial art tradition? Answer B. Sikh martial arts. Question: what is the main equipment used in the traditional Indian sport Mallakhamba? Answer A. wooden pole. Question: the traditional game Kho-Kho is played with how many players on each team? Answer A. 9. Question: which traditional Indian sport is known for its intense breath control and chanting during play? Answer A. Kabaddi. Question: the traditional sport Jallikattu is primarily associated with which animal? Answer B. bull. Question: which Indian state is famous for the traditional sport Thanta? Answer A. Manipur. Question: the sport Vallamkali is traditionally performed during which festival? Answer A. Onam. Question: which traditional Indian sport involves climbing a wooden pole to retrieve a flag? Answer D. Flagpole climbing, traditional rural game. Question: in the traditional sport Kabaddi, what is the maximum time a raider can hold their breath while attacking? Answer C. 20 seconds. Question: Kalripayattu is believed to have influenced which famous martial art? Answer B. Kung Fu. Question: the traditional Indian sport Pachisi was played by which historical figure on a large scale? Answer B. Akbar. Question: which traditional Indian sport involves a team trying to break a pyramid of stones? Answer A. Lagori. Question: the traditional sport Thoda involves combat with what kind of weapon? Answer A. Bow and arrow. Question: which of the following is a traditional Indian boat race? Answer A. Vallam Kali. Question: the traditional Indian sport Gatka primarily uses which weapons? Answer A. Sword and shield. Question: the Indian traditional sport Mallakhamba is primarily practiced to develop which skill? Answer A. Agility and strength.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.